What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here. Just want to make another quick video. This is gonna be quick tip video number 3, guys. Just want to put you all onto some quick, short, sweet, and simple, right to the point type tips, so that you can just slide through a whole playlist of quick tips in less than an hour, guys. That's what the plan is behind this series. Anyway, though, guys, so quick tip number 3 is package your deals properly, guys. That's quick tip number 3. Package those deals up nicely. Like when you pass on your property, guys, you need to have enough information. Like, so don't just send your property to somebody with just the ARV and the asking price, guys. You got to be very, very thorough. So real quick tip number 3 is package your deals properly. Let me explain how to do that, guys. So here's how I like to do it. I like to create a buyer's package, guys. A full-on buyer's package that includes, but is not limited to, a cover sheet. I'm just gonna slide through these. I'm not gonna thoroughly explain every single one of them because this is quick tips. Then you can go check out my other videos to get the thorough explanations on them. So a cover sheet, comps of your property, pictures of the property, a link to the video of the property, the tax assessor's website screenshot, a screenshot from the recorder of deeds website, your repair budget bid breakdown from your contractor, and lastly, which is optional, is your purchase and sale agreement and your seller lead sheet that you went through with the original seller. So guys, you package all of that together, that's gonna be a very nice, legitimate looking buyer's package, guys. Anyway, though, that's quick tips. That's quick tip number 3. That's how to go ahead and package your package your property properly. So go ahead, rewind a little bit if you need to. Check out those tips again, guys. Until next time,